The Rehabi vacuum pump is designed to facilitate penile vacuum training, in which blood is pulled forward into the penis to keep the tissue healthy. The pump is manually operated and ergonomically designed for easy use. This set comes with a full instruction guide, a tube of water-based lubricant, and a handy travel case. Make sure the base of the pump is well lubricated to ensure a good seal. Press the base to the skin to create a tight seal. You may need to trim or shave pubic hair. Pump by pressing down the handle, proceeding with a slow and steady pace. Over-pumping can cause bruising. Stop immediately if you feel more than mild discomfort and try again later at lower pressure. When erect, keep the pump on for around 2 minutes before releasing the pressure using the small side button. Take a break for a few minutes. Once you're no longer erect, repeat the same process. Pump until erect, hold for 2 minutes, release. Pump once to twice a day. Excessively frequent use does not automatically lead to more rapid success.